Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a Kanban board in Trello. So by default you actually are using Kanban here on Trello, so I'm going to show you. Let's go ahead and create something new. I'm going to click create board here and let's just go ahead and choose this one right here, or let's say a background or solid background color is going to be better so that we can visually see it, no problem. And then from here I'm going to go ahead and call this one a sales tracker, just like so. And then for the visibility, it's going to be visible to the workspace, which means others from my team should be able to see this one. All right, now that we have created, as you can see, we are seeing this by default, but we can definitely change those. Let's go ahead and try to rename these. Okay, so to do that, you can go ahead and click this one right here and say, for example, a prospect. Again, this is sales tracker, and let's say we are we are offering a service. So I'm going to go ahead and write there prospect, and then I'm going to go ahead, click this one here and try to say like reached out. So first the client reached out to us, and then we reply. Okay, um, let's try to say replied, and then after that one, let's say discovery call scheduled. And then if, say, for example, you want to add more, just go ahead and click this one right here, and then proposal sent. Oops, click enter. And then here, say, for example, closed, all right, or a closed deal. There you go. All right. Now, if, say, for example, you have the client here already, and let's say the client is going to be ABC company. Let's say prospect client reached out, and then you can go ahead and click this one and add some comments here, descriptions, and other things. You can assign a member for this one as well. Now, after that one, let's say for example that particular person or company has already, you have already reached out, so you can definitely just move this one here. And if the discovery call has been scheduled, wherein you are going to learn the company's needs more and talk to a person to understand his needs and wants. So you're going to move this here, and then you send the proposal ready. There you go. And then the deal has been closed. Now, if say for example the deal has been closed, you can go ahead and click this one right here to mark it as complete. However, say for example after sending the proposal, the person or that business did not go through with you, you can go ahead and add another here called deal drop. So I'm just going to go ahead and add that one there. All right, there you go. So yeah, that is the easiest way in order for us to create Kanban board. Basically, you can go ahead and start creating or adding lists here of clients. And yep, that is the simplest way to do it. Congratulations, everybody. That is how you're going to make a Kanban board in Trello.